Have you ever been told that cracking your knuckles will lead to arthritis? Many people believe this, but is there any truth to it? When you crack your knuckles, you're not actually damaging your joints. The sound comes from gas bubbles in the synovial fluid popping as you stretch the joint. Studies have shown that cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis, but doing it too often might weaken your grip strength over time. So, while it's not necessarily harmful, it's probably best not to overdo it. Now you know the real science behind knuckle cracking.